Add milk to meat, a restaurant trick. In a container, start by adding 500 grams of steak. On top, add a little salt, and we will also add 250 milliliters of milk. Now all you have to do is cover it with plastic wrap. Now just let it rest, preferably in the fridge, for 30 minutes. In another container, add a little panko flour or breadcrumbs, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, some smoked paprika, black pepper, a little oregano, and a little more salt. And now it's just a matter of mixing all of that together really well. Now we just have to take our steak and bread it very well. Just repeat the process with the rest of the steak. Let's take it and go back to a bigger container. Once that's done, now let's use a little olive oil and add it on top of this meat. Okay, now let's put it in the oven at 180 degrees and leave it for 30 minutes. In a container, we will add 300 grams of tomato sauce, two tablespoons of olive oil, a little more black pepper, and a little oregano as well. After mixing, let's take the mixture and add it on top of our steak. After spreading it out, let's add some grated Parmesan cheese. Let's finish it off with mozzarella until it's covered. We'll put it in the oven at 200 degrees and leave it for 15 minutes. Look at how amazing this steak Parmigiana is. I make it at your house and I'm sure everyone will love it. It's a super quick and easy recipe that's delicious. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from the Poor Kitchen. A big hug, see you next time, and it was worth it.